On this video, I'm going to be showing you, introducing you to Midas software. I'm from Greatest Design Consult. This is my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number, or you can call me on any of these numbers. Okay. Let's jump right into it. Now you can see, this is actually Midas software. I actually love the software. It's a great software which I have actually come across. You can see under your view tab here, you have the redraw, initial, previous view, zoom, dynamic input, and all of that. Okay, let's jump right to structure here. Okay, this is an interesting part I would like to show you. You can see here it has the structure type. You can choose the type of structure. You have your base structures. You have tower. You have the tank. These are all templates that you can actually achieve your structural design. You can achieve your tank design, your tower design. Okay, let's go to properties here. You can see you can actually use this to achieve your steel design and your reinforced concrete design as well. You can see the section properties here, scale factor, tempered group thickness, and all of this. Yeah, material properties. If you go down, you click on this, it gives you the material. There you can actually specify the properties of your material. Okay. And then this software you can as well import. You can export. You can see you can import AutoCAD, that's DXF file. You can import SAP 2000 file. Yeah, you can as well export. Okay. These are all the available formats at which you can export your midas, your drawing to. Okay. It has the analysis tab here. Okay. So on the next episode, I will be taking you through the introduction part of this software. It's actually very amazing. You can see the drop down here for your steel design. It has drop down here for reinforced concrete design as well. Okay. The software is actually very great. I believe you actually gonna love the software. Okay. So if you love what you're seeing, make sure you like this video. Just give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel. It's actually free. Click on the bell icon so as for you to get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like this on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, just to encourage as many that actually want to have a deeper insight of design. Okay, make sure you stay safe and make sure you stay blessed.